In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WordPress staging site in Hostinger hPanel. A staging site is a safe copy of your website where you can test changes without affecting visitors on your live site. It's perfect for trying new designs, plugins, or content before publishing. First, log in to your Hostinger hPanel. On the main dashboard, scroll to the hosting section and click Manage for the website you want to work on. From the left menu, select the website where you want a staging environment. Next, open the WordPress section and choose Staging. Click Create Staging to begin. You'll be asked to create a subdomain for the staging site. Enter a clear, memorable name so you can easily tell it apart from your main site. Then click Create. Hostinger will start preparing the staging environment. This process typically takes around 15 minutes depending on your site size. You can close the window for now and continue once it's ready. When the staging site is created, click Manage Staging, then choose Staging Admin Panel. You're now inside the WordPress dashboard for your staging site, which looks just like your normal admin panel. Let's quickly visit the site to confirm it's a working copy. Now, let's make a change so you can see how the workflow feels. Go back to the staging dashboard, open posts, and choose a post you'd like to edit. Click Edit, add your own text, or update content as needed, and click Save or Update. Visit the staging site and refresh the page. You'll see your new text live on the staging version. If you open your main website and refresh it, you'll notice there are no changes there yet. That's the beauty of staging. You can experiment privately without risk. Once you're happy with all your adjustments and you're ready to publish them to your live site, go back to the staging dashboard and then back to the staging tool. Next to your staging website, click the three dots and select Publish. Confirm by clicking Publish again. Hostinger will copy the changes to your main site, which may take about 15 minutes. You can close the window and check back in 5 to 10 minutes. When the process finishes, visit your main website and refresh the page. You should now see the updates from staging applied to the live site. You can always confirm which site you're viewing by checking the domain. The staging site uses the subdomain you created, while the main site uses your primary domain. That's how to create and use a WordPress staging site in Hostinger hPanel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.